Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Vonage integration to log calls into CRM. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Vonage business account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your settings. Look for the Integrations tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Integrations tab to open the integration options. Find the CRM integration section. Select the CRM you wish to integrate with Vonage. Click on the Connect button next to your chosen CRM. A new window will pop up asking for your CRM credentials. Enter your CRM username and password. Follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection. Once authenticated, return to the Integrations tab. Locate the call logging settings within the integration options. Enable the call logging feature. Choose the specific parameters for logging calls in your CRM. Decide whether you want to log all calls or specific call types. Customize the call details you want to capture. Make sure to save your settings. Test the integration by making a test call. Go back to your CRM to verify that the call details have been logged correctly. If the test call was successful, you're all set. If there are any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section in the Vonage Help Center. Your Vonage integration is now successfully set up to log calls into your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.